Honda Goldwing DCT 2026-2027. This Sultan touring comfort. Have you ever imagined traveling across provinces without ever having the tire of shifting gears? The 2026 Honda Goldwing DCT redefines the limits of touring comfort, powered by the legendary 1833cc flat-six engine. This two-wheeled masterpiece combines the smoothness of an automatic transmission with the luxurious sensation of first-class riding. Get ready to conquer thousands of kilometers in style and ease. The 2026 Honda Goldwing DCT delivers advanced touring comfort with a dual-clutch transmission DCT automatic transmission, powered by a 1833cc flat-six engine. This motorcycle produces 170 Nm of torque and 1833cc of power. This motorcycle is equipped with a range of premium features and cutting-edge upgrades. 7-speed DC transmission provides smooth and intelligent automatic gear shifting, complete with an overdrive gear for cruising efficiency and a walking mode for easier parking maneuvers.